for the speed, reach for the wisdom, go where the rail may run. Reach for the word, reach for the story, follow the rainbow sun. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true, waiting there for you. Okay, Dan, cue effects.
Here goes.
Of course, it'll look even better tonight in the dark, but this'll give you some idea.
Bravo, Dan! That was terrific! Oh, Felix, I am so happy you decided to do this play about Casey Jones here in the station.
Isn't it something? I just love show business.
Oh.
Now, as soon as the rest of my cast gets here, we can start the dress rehearsal.
Ready when you are, Mr. Perez.
Mr. King, my star. What? Sorry, ladies. I meant all of you. All my stars. Now, places, everyone, if you please. Mr. King, right in here, in the engine. Midge, Ginny, right over here in the passenger car. Stacy, Mrs. Casey Jones, I should say, right over there in the kitchen set. Thank you very much. And Dan, right here in front. And perfect. We begin.
Begin what?
Felix, we don't have any scripts. Becky and Schemer aren't here yet.
Missing scripts, missing actors, madre mia, there's so many details. Dan, where are they?
Becky's in town getting the scripts copied, and Schemer is busy putting up all the posters he made.
Ta-da! Never fear! Schemer is here with the poster of the year!
Hi, everybody. Hi, Felix. Sorry we took so long. Here are your scripts, everyone.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Behold, the poster, The Resistance.
The Shining Time Stars Community Theater, under the direction of Felix Perez, I like the sound of that, presents for one night only at Shining Time Station the story of Casey Jones. Very nice, Schemer.
Yeah, very tasteful and quite a surprise. Hey, come on, what did you expect, huh?
What does the rest of it say?
Oh, nothing really. Let's see it, Schemer. I might have known.
Featuring a special appearance by the one and only Schemer. Oh, Schemer, how could you? What about my name?
And mine. And what about mine? After all, I'm playing Casey Jones. I want a credit, too.
People, credits don't matter. Remember, the play is the thing. Besides, your names will all be in the program. Now, everybody take 5 to study your scripts.
Yeah.
He looked at his watch, and his watch was slow. Looked at the water low. Turn to his fireman instead. We'll get to Canton, but...
I should have stayed in bed. Hey, kids, so, what are you doing, huh?
We're learning our part. And our lines for the play. Have you already got yours memorized, Schemer?
Hey, memorize. I, Schemer, prefer to improvise. Hey, listen, I'm a natural, I'm telling you. When I say a line on stage, it's my line, not some silly writer's. You dig? Anyway, ciao, amateurs.
Gosh, I'd be so scared to go on stage. Like, not knowing what I was going to say or anything. It's pretty scary even when you do know what to say.
What's scary, Dan?
Oh, hi, Mr. Conductor. Being in a play is scary. I mean, it's fun and everything, but it kind of makes me nervous. Yeah, me too.
I see. Well, what's this play of yours about, anyway?
It's about Casey Jones, the great engineer, and the big train wreck.
Wow. Talk about coincidences. Just the other day, there was a big train wreck on the island of Sodor.
Really? That's awful. Anybody hurt? It wasn't Thomas, was it?
No, you remember Diesel, though, don't you? He told some lies about Duck, and Sir Topham Hatt had to send Duck away. That's when all the trouble started. I'll tell you about it. Duck, the Great Western Engine, puffed sadly to Edward's station. It's not fair, he complained. Diesel has been telling lies about me and made Sir Topham Hatt and all the engines think I'm horrid. Edward smiled. I know you aren't, and so does Sir Topham Hatt. You wait and see. Why don't you help me with these cars? Duck felt happier with Edward and set to work at once. The cars were silly, heavy, and noisy. The two engines had to work hard, pushing and pulling all afternoon. At last, they reached the top of the hill. Goodbye, whistled Duck, and rolled gently over the crossing to the other line. Duck loved coasting down the hill, running easily with the wind whistling past. Suddenly, it was a conductor's warning whistle. Hurrah! 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 Laughed the cars. We've broken away! We've broken away! Chase him! Bump him! Throw him off the rails! They yelled. Hurry, Duck, hurry, said the driver. They raced through Edward Station, but the cars were catching up. As fast as we can, then they'll catch us gradually. The driver was gaining control. Another clear mile and we'll do it. Oh, glory! Look at that! James was just pulling out on their line from the station ahead. Any minute, there could be a crash. It's up to you now, Duck, cried the driver. Duck put every ounce of weight and steam against the cars. It's too late, Duck groaned. He veered into a siding where a barber had set up shop. He was shaving a customer. The silly cars had knocked their conductor off his van and left him far behind after he had whistled the warning. But the cars didn't care. They were feeling very pleased with themselves. Beg pardon, sir, gasped Duck. Excuse my intrusion. No, I won't, said the barber. You've frightened my customers. I'll teach you, and he lathered Duck's face all over. Poor Duck. Thomas was helping to pull the cars away when Sir Topham Hatt arrived. I do not like engines popping through my walls, fumed the barber. I appreciate your feelings, said Sir Topham Hatt, but you must know that this engine and his crew have prevented a serious accident. It was a very close shave. Oh, said the barber. Oh, excuse me. He filled a basin of water to wash Duck's face. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were being a brave engine. That's all right, sir. I didn't know that either. You were very brave indeed, said Sir Topham Hatt. I'm proud of you. Sir Topham Hatt watched the rescue operation. Then he had more news for Duck. And when you are properly washed and mended, you are coming home. Home, sir? You mean the yard? Of course. But, sir, they don't like me. They like Diesel. Not now. I never believed Diesel, so I sent him packing. The engines are sorry and want you back. A few days later, when he came home, there was a really rousing welcome for Duck, the Great Western Engine. So in the end, Duck saved the day and got a free shave.
It's just like Casey Jones. He saved the day, too. Casey Jones, Becky, we've got to learn our lines. Okay, Casey Jones marched to the cabin. Casey Jones with his orders in his hand. Yeah, with his orders in his hand.
Is there anything I can do? How about another story?
Not right now, Mr. Conductor.
Didn't you like the last one?
It's not that. It's just that tonight's the play, and we really have to practice.
Oh, I see. Well, maybe Billy could use some help. See you later. Good luck with the play. Good evening, Billy.
Evening to you, Mr. Conductor. So, you gonna be riding with me on this run?
With your permission, Mr. Engineer.
Absolutely. Come on in. You can ride up front with me. That's your signal.
What?
For goodness sake, Steamer, will you watch it with that shovel? Come on, I've got to heat that steam. I've got to fire up that coal. I've got to shovel this stuff in and get it going. Felix, when you tell Steamer to start behaving himself, out of the way. Felix!
Felix, one of the spotlights is lit. Felix, I was wondering, could you help? Over here.
Felix, are you sure that my name is spelled correctly in the program? Yes. Smooth. With two O's.
Felix, will we do our own makeup tonight?
Everybody take 5.
What's the matter, Becky? Nobody's helping me. I'm so scared. I don't know how to act.
Oh, honey, acting's not so hard. What is it that you think you don't know?
Just about everything.
Oh, all right. Well, honey, let's talk about the scene we're going to do together, all right? Now, here we are at home, and we're preparing dinner for Dad, right? Okay, now he's been gone for a long time, so it's a very special dinner. So what would you be doing?
I guess I'd be setting the table. Like this.
Here, we'll use a special dish, and I'll get something out of the icebox, okay? Oh, Dad's coming home. Papa's coming home. Here, let's use the special napkin. See? That's perfect. When you pretend to be someone who lives a different life than you, that's acting.
Thanks, Stacy. I feel a lot better now.
Good, honey.